Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and back for another mini twist video. I'm excited to share this fail with you all today. But before we get started, you guys have to go check out my girl Cammie's mini twist video. It's her first time trying out mini twists and she has a gorgeous, full, thick head of hair. Y'all will love her and her personality. She's so funny. So go to her video after this one. The link will be in my description box and make sure you tell her I sent you, okay? Let's get into this video. So originally, I was going to share with you guys some new products I'm using for my mini twist and kind of give you like an updated routine, but this just turned out into a complete disaster. But I'm going to show you guys how I save my mini twists after they kind of come out like a fail. So here I am, I'm just using some heat protectant. I'm about to blow out my hair just a little bit just to get some length going to it. After I finish blow drying, I would just twist up that section and put it into a little bantu knot, and that's primarily how I stretched out my entire head to get ready for these mini twists. I like to section out my hair before I really start mini twisting. It helps me keep organized and not like feel super overwhelmed. So here you'll see I'm just sectioning off the front portions of my head from the back, and I usually do the front last, so we're just gonna keep that separated. So I use my Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream to just kind of rub it on the section and twist it out the way. I also use this as like the first product to moisturize my hair before I began twisting. This is not the product that caused problems. I've used this product for years. It is the next product that caused problems, but you'll see that in a second. Here I am just sectioning the back of my hair. I get a lot of questions about sectioning and how I, part and get all that ready to go. This is how I do it. I start with letting the front be flat twist down, and then I put the back into 3 separate sections. Helps me keep organized and move even quicker. Alright, so now we're going to start mini twisting. This is like the next day, so I'm getting a little, I'm getting pretty far into it. And this is just kind of me splitting my hair into 1-inch sections and then grabbing a piece off, and I just start twisting. So you don't actually see me grab the product from the jar, but this product I'm spreading on it right here. This is the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, like that pomade. I'll put up a picture right here. That's what I used on my roots and kind of spread it from the roots down to the end of my strands. And as you can see, I'm kind of twisting with it here. This is the product that messed everything up. And it's not the product's fault, it's the way I was using it. It is not really meant, see there it is, yeah. that sticky like pomade. Yeah, that's not meant for mini twists. It's meant for braiding and like Marley twists and those kind of protective styles. For my hair and for me, you know, it didn't work. This is what caused issues, as you'll see later on. And I just want to put out the disclaimer that this pomade is bomb for braiding. Like, I love this stuff. Like, I'm glad I discovered it. I love it so much, as you can see, I used it for mini twists. Like, that's how much I love this stuff. But you guys know, if you have a hair like mine, you know, if we have similar hair, don't do this, guys. Don't do this. And I'm literally giving each mini twist a small dab of this product too. So it's literally all over my head, just to give you context. So here's just a few days later. Like, wow, the frizz was out of this world. It felt disgusting. It felt slimy. Like, it was just a disaster. Like, it never frizzes this quickly. Like, this is literally maybe 2 days later. The hair felt greasy. It felt disgusting. Oh my goodness. Look at all that frizz. So here I go trying to redo at least the front section, at least the edges in this middle part. But if you've done mini twists before, you know, like, once you do them one time, you don't want to go back and redo parts. Like, that's annoying, right? So that didn't last very long. Here I'm showing you guys that I'm using the Style Factor There gel, because this is the gel I know my hair likes and works well with mini twists, but I'm tired. I'm not trying to redo my whole head. So here we are maybe 2 days after that. As you can see, I did redo the middle part and a couple of pieces in the front. The back is still kind of frizzing out. You know, it looks good in this angle, but trust me, y'all, it feels disgusting. So I decided I'm going to wash them. I'm going to wash my mini twists. So I'm braiding them up into like 4 or 5 plaits. And just FYI, I hate washing mini twists. It never turns out well for me, but I was just so fed up and really was trying to save this style that I plaited all over my head and decided I'm gonna go and shampoo these. So here I am just putting a rubber band at the end because my hair will slip out when I start shampooing these, but whew, a journey. Here I'm showing you 2 shampoos, but I decided to go with the Floral and Curl Creamy shampoo, even though I love the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight in that nozzle. But I decided just to keep this a very moisturizing kind of thing. So here I am, rinsing my hair, getting it all wet. I'm not going to show you guys the whole routine, but it's basically just shampooing kind of like I regularly would. Just more scrubbing because you want to get, you know, the roots and not have it lasting on your scalp, because you know that causes itching. I decided to follow it up with the Neo Curly Lightweight Milk Conditioner. I don't hate this product and I'm not in love with this product. It kind of just does its thing. It's not bad. It's not heavy at all. Of course, it's a milk, and I really do like milks because they don't cause a lot of buildup on my hair. So I'm just kind of rubbing that over the braids. So here we are a few hours later, and I'm just like, great, my scalp feels good, but it's still frizzy. But of course, you know, this is why I don't usually wash them, because the frizz is ridiculous. I have yet to find a wash routine that I really like. But here we are, you know, I'm just like, at least my scalp's clean. The hair doesn't feel greasy anymore. I feel better, but it is frizzy. So this is kind of what I do when I don't know what to do. I just put everything up in a bun and we throw on a headband and we continue our day, guys. We just gotta keep it moving. So a few hours later, I began to take the braids down and I was like, this doesn't look terrible. And you guys know from previous mini twist videos, I do like braid outs, but I never did one where I like braided it, jumped in the shower, washed my hair, came back out the shower. So I wasn't really sure how this was going to turn out, but it actually looks pretty decent. I was just so happy to have clean hair, you guys. Like, the hair didn't feel greasy anymore. It smelled amazing. Some mini twists did come unraveled, so I did go back and kind of redo some of those. But overall, my hair felt great. It was still frizzy though. I don't like a lot of frizz with my mini twists. That's just me. So here are the results of the impromptu braid out that I did with my mini twist. This hides the frizz. I was happy with this. This I went out with, and I was able to keep my mini twist in for a few more days, and it looked really good. If you guys want to see like a braid out mini twist routine, let me know. I'll be happy to do that next time I put these in for you guys. But yeah, this is kind of how I saved them, and it just worked out on accident. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you guys some good tips. Let me know down below if this helped you guys out. Give me a like if it did. Subscribe, join the family. We've reached 1 million views. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos and leaving so much love. Make sure you guys check out Cammy's video. Let her know I sent you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.